Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Youngchemist online tutorial. I am Muneeb Khan and I am here to introduce my channel Youngchemist. The first thing that comes in this introductory video is the name of my channel. So the name of my channel is Youngchemist. Youngchemist he kyun? You could see me, I am young, and secondly my profession is chemistry. So that's why I prefer the name Youngchemist. The second thing that comes in this introductory video is the purpose of this channel. दुनिया में हर एक चीज़ का एक ख़ास मकसद होता है, एक ख़ास एम होता है, एक ख़ास पर्पस होता है। तो हमारे इस चैनल का भी एक ख़ास मकसद है और वो है शेयरिंग ऑफ नॉलेज, एजुकेशन। शेयरिंग ऑफ नॉलेज एक सदका है, तो आप भी इस सदके जारिया में शामिल हो सकते हैं बाय शेयरिंग और वीडियोस। The third thing that comes after the purpose, that is why I prefer this platform. I think this is a very great, cheap and easy platform to get benefit from it. It is equally beneficial for both the poor and rich people. Now it's time to talk a little bit about the feature of this channel. The first feature of this channel is the video lectures about chemistry from grade 9 to upper level, and videos about different techniques, how to perform a paper and how to do a preparation for different tests and different exams. इस channel पर आपको मिलेंगे book reviews, because according to a famous quote, today a reader, tomorrow a leader. Most of the students these days waste their precious time on some unproductive stuff and social media. So here we will try our best to provide you book reviews of some influential book that will boost your inspiration towards reading and will develop your personality. According to me, to achieve a big goal, you need some sort of motivation. We will provide you some motivational videos, some motivation that will boost your energy and will inspire you and motivate you towards your goal. As we talked in the beginning of this video about the purpose of this channel, that is the sharing of knowledge. So here we will try our best to provide you every type of knowledge like business and economy, history and book review. But as a chemist, how can I talk about the business and economy? So here we have Mr. Rehman, who will provide you a business related information and also economy related information.
I am Rehman and I am undergraduate student of Business Administration. As we mentioned in this video that we will try our best to provide you every type of knowledge. So here I will provide you concise lecture about my field, business administration, like the function of business administration, management, marketing, finance, accounting and many more, which will be quite beneficial for the student of business administration. I will talk the goal of business administration, which type of goals students need to set in future, as well as video lecture about different subjects of business administration. Here you will get information about job opportunity of a business administration student, which type of job they will do in future. In addition to this, I will try my best to provide you some extra knowledge about economy and current economic crisis in the world, as well as I will provide you knowledge about history, because in my point of view, history is so much important for different tests and exams.
It was all about our channel intro. If you have any good idea, suggestion, you can share it with us in a comment section below. We are students and we are still learning. Your comment and idea will be highly appreciated. अपना ढेर सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और हमें भी अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। वस्सलाम, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।